In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to merge two exams together. So first off, what you want to do is have your patient selected. From there, go to View Exams, find the two exams that you want to combine. In this case, I would recommend combining the image or the exam with the least amount of images into the exam with the most amount of images. So from here, what we want to do is select the exam with the least amount of images by double-clicking into it. Now I'm going to export this image, and before I export it, what I want to do is just make sure that there's no filters or no brightness and contrast being applied to the image. So I'm going to untick the SOTA pop and untick the brightness and contrast on that image. Then I'm going to go ahead and export the image out by clicking Export, selecting that one image, and exporting that. Now that that's done, I want to go to the home screen again, go to View Exams, go into the exam with the most amount of images now, click on Modify Exam, highlight the area that we want to import the image into now, and I'm going to click Import. Find that one image that we just exported, or however many images that we just exported. Click on Open. And now we have a merged exam.